Welcome back to the College Guide. Today I want to introduce a brand new series. I've been trying to roll these out slowly, but this new series is called College Kitchen, and this is where I'm going to share all the recipes that I used most when I was in college, or that my wife used most when she was in college, to help you get ideas and have some quick recipes in your back pocket that you can use. My goal for each of these recipes are a few things. The first one is that they need to be fast. In my mind, if something is hard to do or it's going to take too long, you're going to go out and you're going to run down to the Taco Bell and you're going to buy something because you're hungry. So this needs to be fast enough that you can eat it even if you're hungry. The second thing is they need to be cheap, because if it's not cheap, you might as well run down to the Taco Bell and eat. Also, if it's not cheap, to me that's what a lot of people in college need. They're trying to save money on food and other living expenses as much as they can because college is expensive. And I want to try and be sensitive to that here. So there's not going to be any fancy ingredients. Typically there's going to be very few ingredients to make them easier to make. And that kind of leads into my third thing. They need to be convenient. And this can be both foods that are required. So like should hopefully have 5 or 6 ingredients or less that are required, with maybe a few additional extras if you want. They should also require very little cooking equipment. Most recipes will be either microwave friendly, where you can do it all in the microwave, or maybe you need one pan or pot on the stove. There will probably be a few baking type things where you'll use the oven, but in the end, my goal is everything should be either microwave friendly or like a one pot recipe, crock pot, whatever it might be, so that it doesn't take as much effort or resource on your behalf as far as keeping a bunch of food around that you're only ever going to use once, like weird spices, or not having the right kitchen equipment for it. And the last one is that they should hopefully be healthy-ish. It can be hard to eat healthy as a college student because produce can go bad quickly, and certain types of produce can be expensive. So we're going to try and show you ways that you can use small amounts of them to augment your cooking to be healthier and more flavorful without breaking the bank. I'm excited to share these things with you. Half of these recipes, to be honest, we still eat once or twice a week because we like them so much, because they are easy. And at the end of a long day of work, just like the end of a long day of school, you don't want to work that hard at cooking something. So definitely these come recommended highly by me, and I'm not going to share anything with you guys that I wouldn't eat myself. If you guys have any great recipes that you like to use and would love to have featured here, post a comment below with recipe or instructions, or even just a name, and I can go find something for it. Or if there's something that you want to learn how to cook that you just don't know, we can do our best for you too. Well, I'm so excited to share this new video series with you, and definitely keep an eye out for our college kitchen videos coming up starting into the new year. Thank you for watching the College Guide. We'll see you next time.